Moody's Analytics estimates the damage left behind by Hurricane Idalia this week to be at least $12 billion. It's a big number, but it pales in comparison to last year's Hurricane Ian, which ripped through the Gulf Coast of Florida, causing some $100 billion worth of destruction. Those increasingly common billion-dollar storms have led to an insurance crisis, with rising rates making coverage unaffordable to many Americans, and some companies pulling out of states like Florida and California altogether. NBC's Marissa Parra has been covering Idalia in Florida all week, and she has our Sunday focus.
From coast to coast, extreme weather by wind, water, and flame is battering homes and the insurance rates meant to protect them. Hurricane Idalia, just the latest storm to cost billions in damage, but the cost to insurance premiums remains to be seen.
Doesn't look like we can save it, but I'm not sure yet.
Florida resident Amy Firestein said her home insurance premiums had already doubled before Idalia, making the hurricane's wrath twice as painful when the hotel she owns was destroyed.
That's one of the issues in Florida is Mother Nature does what it wants, and we have to just rebuild and hope insurance can help us out with it.
But for millions of Americans in Florida and around the country, help is no longer available. In recent months, insurance companies began scaling back or even pulling out altogether in states like California, Louisiana, and of course, Florida, forcing homeowners like Misha King to roll the dice and go without coverage completely.
What do you do if a Cat 5 is barreling towards your home?
Pray. That'd be your best bet, to pray. And then you have to choose whether you're going to ride out the storm and try and save what you can, or go with God and hope everything's okay.
Just in 2022 alone, 18 disaster events cost the U.S. over $177 billion. And that's spelling disaster for insurance rates. States like Florida have seen the average homeowner's insurance premium skyrocket by 200% since 2019. But the rise isn't just felt in those specific states. Nationwide, home insurance rates have risen more than 20% since 2015.
The problem is accelerating.
Dave Jones was once the insurance commissioner of California, a state that's seen two of their top 5 largest property insurers pull back just within the last year, citing natural disasters like wildfires and high reinsurance premiums. Jones, now the head of Climate Risk Initiative at UC Berkeley School of Law, says today's insurance crisis has been looming for years.
When I was commissioner, we started seeing an increase in non-renewals in the areas at highest risk of wildfire. It's become a lot more acute more recently.
Does any of this surprise you?
Sadly, I'm not surprised. You could see this trend for some time. We're just not doing enough.
Insurance industry experts cite a perfect storm of climate change and lawsuits by policyholders. Just this summer alone, both Farmers Insurance and AAA have receded from insuring homes in the state of Florida. And with less availability, some 15% of homeowners in the Sunshine State have chosen to cancel their policies. That's the highest rate of uninsured homes in the entire country. And as more states beyond those most disaster-prone feel the impact of damaging weather events, Jones warns it's not just homes that are becoming harder to protect.
It's auto insurance, it's business insurance. It has a very, very wide-ranging effect on consumers and is causing us to march steadily towards an uninsurable future.
A future that for many Americans is already here.
And Marissa joins me now live. Marissa, good morning. So as we just heard in your piece, some homeowners feel like prayer is their only option when a natural disaster hits because of those skyrocketing insurance rates. So is there anywhere for people like them in high-risk states to turn for help?
Willie, good morning. I mean, this is such a scary reality for so many. Analysts recommend calling your state's Department of Insurance Regulation or looking at the surplus lines market for non-traditional coverage. Now, dozens of states also have what's called state-backed insurers. Those are usually cheaper. In Florida, it's called Citizens, the so-called insurer of last resort. Now, in 2019, they reported 400,000 home policies. That number has more than tripled to over 1.3 million this year. And what does that tell you about the insurance market in the state when the last resort has ballooned to become the state's biggest property insurer? And it's not sustainable. Even Governor Ron DeSantis has warned that the company is one natural disaster from going belly up. So some options out there, but it is going to take a lot to fix this, and it won't be overnight. Willie?
It certainly is a crisis. So important to shine a light on it. Marissa, thanks for bringing us that piece. We appreciate it.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.